Okay everyone, welcome back to the video, and in this video I would like to tell you how to answer your math quiz and using Google Docs. But here you have to install the Google Docs, and then you have to go to your classroom and click the math class, and then click the new assignment math quiz 1. Okay, and then here you can read the instruction first and then swipe, and here you can click the math quiz 1, the Google Docs symbols, and then just click over that sign, and yep, you will go to the Google Docs, but click the sign over here, the pen sign or pen button to edit. And then now you can edit the file. You can type your name, and then for example here Ayulita, and we can go rotate your phone if you want to type, you want to see the entire of the screen, and then type your date, and then read this instruction first. Write down your identity. You are done, and then fill your attendance. You can click the link and click the follow link. Okay, and you are going to the Google form to fill your presence list. And here, quiz presence list, write down your name, and then what grade are you, 7A or 7B, and then how do you feel today. Yep, and then you can go back. After you're done with that, you can go back to the Google Docs, and you can read the rest of the instructions. Answer all the questions in the space provided on the question paper, and then you should show all your working, and the total number of mark for this paper is 40. Okay, so here we have note that in this math quiz you are not allowed to ask parents, friends or family. You are not allowed to use calculator, and you are not allowed to cheat. Okay, so scroll down, and then you can see the number of questions, and then the questions and the maximum marks on the column, on the row in color of blue, and then on the row in color of white. You can click over there, and you can answer on the white space, and then you can do two kind of answering. You can type the answer maybe, and then or you can do is, okay, so you are click on that, and then you can find the plus sign over here, and then click image. You can select from photos or from camera. Okay, and then if you are done with the, okay, let's try from photos. Okay, and then recent, here is the recent. You can click, for example, this one, and then you got the pictures. And then if you are done, you can click the check button or check symbol on the left top of the screen over here, and then it's saving. Okay, all change save, so you can exit. Just click X, and you are done. But then you have to go back to your classroom, and then don't forget to hand in. Hand in means you submit the answer. Okay, click hand in, and then hand in your work. One attachment will be submit for math quiz 1. Okay, just click submit, and yep, you are done. And that's all the video about how to answer the math quiz in Google Docs. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next video. And do the best for the quiz. See you.